Just quickly wanted to show you guys this intelligent LED light here from China. As you would expect, and it will come in a package like this. As you can see, a little foil and some instruction manual, and at the back you get two magnetic plates that goes to the back. And just so I'll give you a heads up, it doesn't magnetize all the way. Somewhere around the middle is where it starts catching, and as soon as it starts moving away from the middle, then it's nothing. But right here in the middle, the magnet works. Now to the installation. I'm gonna show you my rough cupboard here. Sometimes, as you can see, let me turn on the light for you real quick. Alright, as you can see, I mostly use black sweats, and usually cycling. Anything that has to do with cycling is what I wear for the most part. So my cupboard is like that, and when the light's off, everything becomes black. So if it's in color, it's really hard for me to make out what is a sweatshirt, what is a sweatpant, and any other black panties I might have around. So that's where this comes in. All right, so just gonna stick it up here like so that when anyway, let's just get to it. Alrighty, get this out of the way. Your sticker's gonna have like a thin little film. Just take that off and take some rubbing alcohol just so you prep that spot you're going to be gluing this on and make it free from any sort of grit. Glue this on, and now you can just take it off, and the magnet works just as expected. Alrighty, now turn it on. Alright, give it a press. You have an on button here. You press it once, alright, and then when you press it the second time, it blinks thrice, signifying the night mode, for instance, the night sensor mode. And when you press it one more time, it gives two blinks, and that is the day sensor mode. And press it one last time. Yeah, I mistakenly press it once again. That's 2 times, run through the circle. Press it one last time, and it's completely off then. Alright, so when we press it one more time, right beside their on button is like a flash, like a sun button here, and of course this here is the sensor. So you press that, you could toggle between the tungsten light and then something that is kind of like in between, and then the white bright light that's like 6,000 Kelvin right there. And when you press it on for a little while, it dims the light, and then when you press it on once again, and then it comes to its maximum intensity. And that's how it works. Actually, let's try that tungsten once again. You can press and hold, and it dims the tungsten light. Press it and hold once again, and it comes right back to the brightest. I prefer the white light. All right, okay, so my favorite is either gonna be on permanently or the two. Yeah, exactly. And when the sensor senses no movement for the next 15 seconds, it turns off on its own, and as soon as I raise my hands, it should come on. All right, so it's gonna go off now anytime from now. And then when I open the door, oh, see that? And when I come closer, now let's just see exactly what I bought this for. And now you can see the light goes off, and now just open it. All right, so now I no longer have to be doing this. I used to do this before. Look, check this out. This is what I used to do before, okay? When I didn't have this. Let me just put it somewhere else. Before I used to put this on like a miner. Turn off that light. And then now I don't have to deal with this no more. All right, so what I just went ahead and did was take the adhesive magnetic plate from here and just put it on the lower shelf. And so I could easily swap between the lower shelf and the upper one. All right. So now let me just simulate complete darkness right now. The light goes off. It goes off in. And now let's move to places that, in all honesty, I bought these LED lights for. Probably as we did the cupboard shelf. See, I don't need to repeat myself. We already got the MO. Alright. Yeah, that's from vaping. Inside light. Turn it on. Now I'm just gonna simulate complete darkness as I walk inside the bathroom. That's one. That's night light. And then the day one. So this is me just, waking up in the middle of the night, wanted to go take a pee. And voila. No longer have to struggle with, trying to fetch for where the light is. I could just, yeah, awesome. And 15 seconds of inactivity, it just turns off on its own. 10, 12, 15, all right. You're messing with me. And it turns back on again. Alrighty, moving on to the last part, which is gonna be the second bathroom. Peeing is about to be fun. It comes with 600 milliamp inbuilt battery. That means if I'm charging it with a 2 amp, which is like a standard USB-C charger right now, that's the USB-C port. So if I'm charging it with like a 2 amp charger, it should take me, divided by 4, that should take me less than 15 minutes to bring this up to charge with a 2 amp charger. And you get your answer. As you would expect, it will stick to any metal surface, provided it's metallic. And that is it, folks. I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to grab one of these. I got it from Temu. That's the new Chinese. AliExpress's direct competition right now. If I check it once again, it's like for a throwaway price, okay? Anybody can afford this. It comes in various sizes from, I think I've even seen as small as 20 centimeters, for instance. You could use it in your kitchen cabinet, you could use it in such places, wherever, okay? And the biggest size is somewhere around 50 centimeters. I'm sure they have something 80, maybe 1 meter out there, okay? So it's pretty cheap and affordable for everybody. So yeah, that is it. If this is your cup of tea, please hit that thumbs up button, and if not, I got another video up here of the screen. Just click on it and I'll see you there.